You know, that's funny because it was in my pocket when you came in here, and now you're leaving. I can't seem to find it.
Mr. Gazzo, are you insinuating that I might have had it?
Take off your clothes.
What?
Take off your clothes.
I think this is the most ridiculous thing.
Maybe you want I should help.
I'll do it myself.
Come on, come on. What do you want? Music? Get going. Come on, all of it, all of it. The skite, the skite.
Really?
Take it off. Hey, what's going on? All right, take off that blouse. Take it off!
Mr. Gazzo, is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, this is it.
Well, if you don't mind, may I have my skirt?
Yeah, okay. I'm glad you didn't have it on you. It'd be a shame for gams like that to walk under a piano.
That's the break we've been waiting for. We can put Gazzo away for 20 years.